Now the question before us is, in a particular section of class 9, 40 students were asked about the months of their birth, and the following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. Find the probability of a student of the class was born in August. So here it is given that 40 students are studying in a class, and the teacher has asked them about their date of month in which they were born. So accordingly, a graph has been prepared which is before you. You will find from the graph that some children or some students were born in Jan, some in Feb, some in March, and we are to calculate the probability that a student of the class was born in August. So from this graph, you can find that the number of students whose date of birth falls in August are 6, because you can find that this is 6. This is corresponds to the graph. So the total number of students are 40. So the number of students born in August are, we have find out from the graph that the number is 6. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate probability of a student having born in August. It will be equal to number of students born in this particular month divided by total number of students. So what is the number of students whose date of birth falls in the month of August? This is 6. What is the total number of students which are studying in class 9? It is 40. So we can divide both these figures by 2 and the answer will be 3/20. This is the probability that a student of class was born in August. Now the next question before us is, 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contained the following weights of flour. These are the figures before you. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. Now what is the question? This is the question that there are 11 bags of wheat flour. It is specified or marked on the bags that each bag would contain the wheat flour is equal to 5 kg. But when they have been weighed, it has been found that it may contain wheat flour equal to 5 kg, less than 5 kg, or more than 5 kg. Here it will be find that it is containing less than 5, it is more than 5 kg, here it is equal to 5 kg. it is less than 5 kg. So now what we are to find? We are to find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg. So first of all, we will write total number of bags. Though it is given 11 bags, you can find out from here. Here the weights have been given. We can also count from the same whether the weights of all the 11s have been given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The weights of all the 11 bags have been given. So the total number of bags are 11. So now we have to calculate the probability of bags which have more than 5 kg. So how many bags have more than 5 kg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will not calculate which are equal to 5. We have calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have calculated that number of bags containing flour more than 5 kg. This is 7. So now we have to find the probability. Probability of bag containing more than 5 kg of flour is equal to number of bags containing flour more than 5 kg. We will divide it by total number of bags. So what is the number of bags which were having more than 5 kg? We had counted it. These were 7. We will divide it by total number of bags. So here it is the answer. Probability of a bag containing more than 5 kg is equal to 7 divided by 11. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.